Hey guys, so last video we will talk about how to use toaster and what is the toaster, and in this video we will use how to create a simple calculator and how to use it without using Android keywords. There are two methods to create a simple calculator, whether you want to use on Android keyword or otherwise you create on our keyword. Today I will tell you how to create a simple calculator with keywords, buttons, and add subscription options. So first of all, I open this Android Studio. Okay. First of all, this is a main activity XML file, and this is a main activity Java file. So we are designing from here XML file, and if you want to coding, so we can coding here as Java file. So first of all, I will go to there XML file, only XML file. This is the designing. Maybe not clear because some buttons goes overlap. So I will set this button. Okay. I have a lot, lots of space, so I can use that button. Okay. To small this button. I'll tell you how to use this button and create there. So wait. Just wait. I will drop down this 4 button to last. Okay, I have lots of space, so I can drag down this button where I want. Okay, this button for addition, subscription, multiply. Okay, and I have on button 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so I taken that button into this side because there's no more space from there. Okay, 6 7. Okay, so I'm drop down there and fix the maybe upper and lower. So okay, so now I will tell you how to create that button. So go to the text file. First of all, I work in constant layout. There are two layout, linear layout and constant layout. These days mostly we are use a constant layout XML for Android, and I took edit text from here, design. You can also choose edit text from here. Click there and you have an option from here. You can choose edit text here, simple text, plain text. You could go to there text file, and plain text you can use from here text. And I also create there buttons because one edit text is enough for the result and also calculations. And if you have one edit text, you can use anywhere. So and then I'll create button. We have to create each buttons for each. We cannot create a similar button for two statement. We have to create each button for each statement. Like for one, if I click on one buttons, so I take 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So total I have take 1 to 0, 0 to 9, sorry, 0 to 9, and add and multiply, subtraction. So total buttons is around 14 or 13. So you can show there, and this is all button. And then I will go to the Java file. This is simple every process, you have to do same things. So I'll create reference for edit x1 and button 1, button 2, button 13. Total button is 13. So I find out the ID of button from here, XML file. This is ID for button, multiple button. Similarly, I can create an ID from find view ID in Java files, so because they get connected from Java coding. And then next I'll create on simple on click listener method. So I'll click for every buttons on click calculator. So because it is easy for I can use their switch method. So programming coding is easy if I use that on click method. So on click method view and create a switch case 1 ID. If my button is set on one click, then it was working first case, otherwise it break and go to the second condition. So the all case will be run if I click 1 to 9 or plus anything, so it would be working same. Now I'll show the run this program. Okay, it's my emulator. Okay, I will run this program. What happened there? I have to check the main activity, all clear. So this is my emulator working. I have total button addition everything. So I click on one button, it was showing 1. If I click on plus, it was showing plus. Similarly, we no need to use the Android keyword. We have already have an Android keyword. If I use to Android keyword, then we can create another. So next video I'll tell you how to create advanced calculator by using Android keywords. So this is a simple calculator by using on keywords. We create on keywords 1 2 3 1 9 buttons and adding 10 subscription on only one edit text. If you want to use other text for result, so we can use here. Otherwise we can use toaster for showing the result. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.